Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about 2025 Rivian R1T features. The 2025 Rivian R1T is an electric powerhouse that redefines performance, sustainability, and innovation. Designed for those who seek adventure without compromise, this all-electric truck offers unmatched capability and refined luxury. With its aerodynamic design, bold stance, and futuristic lighting, the R1T stands out as a true testament to modern engineering. The signature stadium headlights provide exceptional visibility while adding a distinct identity to its front profile. Sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the tailgate, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. The flush door handles emerge effortlessly, welcoming you into a world of premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Inside, the cabin is a blend of sustainable luxury and advanced functionality. The seats, wrapped in high-quality vegan leather, offer ergonomic support and supreme comfort. Natural wood accents sourced responsibly bring warmth to the interior, while the panoramic glass roof bathes the space in natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The digital cockpit features a high-resolution touchscreen interface that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. An intuitive AI-powered assistant responds to voice commands, providing effortless control over climate settings, music, and driving modes. The premium audio system delivers an immersive listening experience, ensuring that every journey is accompanied by crystal-clear sound. Under the hood, the quad-motor system provides exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. Each wheel operates independently, enabling unparalleled traction on a variety of terrains. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3 seconds, the R1T combines raw power with refined efficiency. The adaptive air suspension system adjusts dynamically to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether cruising on highways or tackling rugged trails. The truck's impressive towing capacity and versatile cargo space make it an ideal choice for adventurers, professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Charging the R1T is both fast and convenient. Ultra-fast DC charging replenishes the battery in record time, while an extended range ensures uninterrupted long-distance travel. Regenerative braking technology captures energy during deceleration, maximizing efficiency and extending the truck's range. A home charging system seamlessly integrates into daily life, ensuring that the R1T is always ready for the next journey. Smart energy management optimizes battery performance, balancing power delivery for maximum longevity and reliability. The truck bed is designed for versatility, featuring an innovative gear tunnel that offers additional storage space for tools and adventure gear. A power-to-no cover secures cargo effortlessly, while built-in power outlets provide electricity for equipment and accessories. The modular rail system adapts to various load configurations, making it easy to transport everything from outdoor gear to work supplies. The integrated air compressor adds another layer of utility, ensuring that tires, inflatables, and tools are always ready for use. Safety is a top priority, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features enhancing confidence and security. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe following distance, while lane keeping assist ensures precision on the road. Automatic emergency braking detects potential hazards and reacts instantaneously, reducing the risk of collisions. A 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view, simplifying parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Radar and lidar sensors continuously scan the environment, detecting obstacles and enhancing situational awareness. The driver monitoring system promotes attentiveness, adding an extra layer of security to every journey. Connectivity is at the heart of the R1T experience, with seamless smartphone integration and over-the-air software updates ensuring that the vehicle stays ahead of the curve. Cloud-based navigation adapts to real-time traffic conditions, optimizing routes for maximum efficiency. The AI-powered assistant understands natural voice commands, making interactions intuitive and hands-free. Remote monitoring and control capabilities allow drivers to check battery status, lock or unlock the vehicle, and even precondition the cabin from anywhere using a mobile app. Sustainability is deeply embedded in the R1T's design philosophy, from its eco-friendly materials to its energy-efficient manufacturing processes. Rivian is committed to reducing environmental impact, utilizing renewable energy sources and recycled materials wherever possible. Owning an R1T is a step towards a greener future, where high performance and sustainability coexist harmoniously. The R1T is not just a vehicle, it is a revolution in electric mobility. Whether navigating urban streets, exploring remote trails, or towing heavy loads, this electric truck is built to handle it all with confidence and style. Its combination of power, intelligence, and sustainability makes it a game changer in the automotive world. With advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and a commitment to environmental responsibility, the R1T represents the future of electric adventure. This is more than transportation, it is an invitation to experience the road like never before, powered by innovation and driven by a vision for a better tomorrow. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.